Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a simple Christmas themed Twitter header. In this case I'm using Dylan O'Brien, but of course use any celebrity that you want, even if it's yourself. So to begin, I'm going to click on File and New. So for the name I'm just going to put tutorial, and for the width you want that to be 1500, and for the height you want it to be 500. Click OK once you're done. So from this point, this is where you want to choose what color you want your background to be. And my hex code is D1C64D. So I'm going to use that color. It's like a yellow greenish color. So now you want to click on File, Open, and open a picture of your person. Double click the lock icon on the background, and then it's going to retitle as layer 0, and then you want to just press OK and create a new transparent layer and place it under the picture layer. Next, we're just going to cut out his picture using tools such as the magic wand, and a shortcut I used on my Mac was Command X. So once that's done, we're going to duplicate the photo layer into our other file. So I'm going to replace layer 0 copy with the actual name of my celebrity. So I'm just going to type Dylan. And for the document, I'm going to put it on a tutorial document that I previously created. Once I place it on the tutorial document, I can close the image. So I'm going to just move the picture over towards the center. And another shortcut on the Mac is using Command T to transform the image, so if you want to make it bigger or smaller. So the next step is to create a new layer, and this is going to be our text layer. So you want to click on the text tool, and I'm just going to type Dylan O'Brien since that's his name. And yeah, so this is the text layer. So once you type the name, you can just play around with the size of the text, and I'm going to move it to the very center of the image. And also you want to make sure you move the text layer under the put the text layer in between the image layer and the background, so that way it appears as if it's behind him. So at the bottom they have a FX option, and once you click on it, this is basically where you can decorate your text. You can add like an inner glow, outer shadow, a gradient, or really anything you want, but I'm going to leave it with a stroke, and I'm going to leave the size at 2. Next, I'm going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to open a transparent picture of a Santa hat and duplicate it onto my tutorial document and press OK. On this part, I'm basically resizing the hat so that it fits perfectly on his head. So now I'm just doing the same thing that I did for the first time that I added the text. And I'm just going to type the word daily, but you can also type news or updates. So it's like Dylan O'Brien updates or whatever, of course, whatever you want it to be. So once that's done, I'm just going to press OK. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. So next you just want to open up any snow PNG that you have, and you really can't see it at first, but of course again you're going to duplicate the layer onto whichever layer document you're using, and then once it's on the actual document, then you can actually see it. So now you're just going to adjust the layer to your liking and press the check mark at the very top. I also moved that snow layer to the very bottom so it can appear behind him and behind the text. So the next step is to open up any PSD that you have and only duplicate the group, not the picture that's included, just the group. Duplicate that onto your document and move it to the very top so it applies over everything, and this is how it should look once you're done. Then you can just close everything, but of course you want to save this actual picture. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is it, and I will also be uploading another Christmas themed video next week, most likely an icon, so stay tuned for that. So just leave comments and suggestions in the comment section, and everything I use will be linked in the description box. Thanks for watching.